I want to make a product review about one of the product from CNI, Tiger Milk Mushroom. Yeah, thanks to Allah, Alhamdulillah, it's working. After I think about only 5 days, I took this. I take 2 tablets a day. After 5 days, I released my cooking is released. There's no more batuk, there's no more itchy. I feel like I'm free from those problems. Since I took this one, I tak pernah lagi ada asthma attack. And so I really, if other people yang ada problem batuk, asthma, this is the best. I mean, this is one of the product that really help. If you have a problem about your lung or your asthma, so thanks to CNI for having this product. This is a very helpful product for people like me. I suffer with my asthma quite a long time. So thank you, all the best to CNI.